So let's see this. We're putting the word adverb here. I'm putting before cold. Sometimes quite well. Why? Yes. Outside. Now we understood that adverb modifies a verb or a noun or an adjective. It tells us more about what the verb is doing. So let's just have a quick recap of what we've already done. So before would be I did this work before. So what would it relate to? Time. I did it some time before. So we have adverb of time. Cold. It was very cold. He did the work coldly manner. Now you have crying. Crying over here will lead to why are you crying? The reason. We're asking a question with the word why. Why are you crying? Here quite well is the degree, how the work was done. How do they do the work? Quite well. Sometimes is frequency. When how often is that work done? Is it done sometimes, rarely, all the time, always, usually? Now outside. Outside is adverb of place. Where is it? This outside. It is there. It is here. So he did his work here. We went to the park near my house. So near is the adverb of place. So all these are identified. Let's do one example of time. I did my work fast. Now, fast is of course manner. So let's say into manner. How was the work done? It was done fast. So let's finish. We've done manner. Now for before, let's see before now. Time. I usually reach at 4 p.m. So at 4 p.m. is your time because you've reached there at that, or you could say before 4 p.m. or after 4 p.m. I'm always on time, so that would be also an adverb of time. Place. We went to the cafe nearby. See, nearby is also telling us place. Where is it? Paas mein hai. This is also adverb of place. Sometimes. But let's see, sometimes frequency, adverb of frequency. So let's see, I rarely eat outside. मतलब बाहर का खाना कभी कभी खाता हूँ. Rarely मतलब once in a year. So this is what? Adverb of frequency. No? So let's take that also. Place also we've done quite well. So this is degree. This is degree. How did you do your exam? Is the question you will get. The question that you ask me, how did you do your exam? How did you write your exam? So what will be the answer? I gave my exam. The exam was easy. I did my exam. I wrote my exam because we wrote right there. I wrote my exam quite easily. Quite easier. I wrote my exam quite easily. So quite easily. Yes. Now what does this mean? What have we done it? This is what is this? Adverb of, where are we? Degree. We are at adverb of degree. So how is it done? You answer the question of how over here. So here you ask the question in place, where? In time, when? Here, how? How was the work done? So just understand it like this. You have to ask a particular question and then you get the adverb of it could be a modifying a noun or a verb or an adjective, and that word would be called an adverb.